Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job PhD admissions, work from home job, PGT, TGT and assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Share, like and comment my videos. In this video, we are going to see the permanent government job recruitment notification from one of the government college, and you may apply from any state all over the India. And here one opportunity is there that with any post graduation, even the fresher or the experienced one, you can earn up to 1,82,400 rupees per month. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities in this pandemic situation. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And if your requirement is not there in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. And please watch this one until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is a Kalindi College, University of Delhi. So from this college here we got the recruitment notification, guys. Okay, and I will show you that information brochure also, as well as the guidelines for the recruitment of the permanent non-teaching positions in the Kalindi College. Okay, so while coming to this one, here the different sections are given, and this notification is having the total 37 pages are there, but I will show you the important points and the important pages here. So Kalindi College invites applications for various non-teaching posts to be filled on the permanent basis as per the 7th CPC mentioned against the each post, and usual allowances as per the rules of University of Delhi or the UGC from the time to time. And the positions here are administrative officer, senior personal assistant, junior assistant, tabla accompanist, semi-professional assistant, laboratory assistant, library attendant and the laboratory attendant. So total these are the different positions are there, and as per the caste category also the number of vacancies are mentioned here, and the maximum age limitations are also mentioned here. There may be age relaxations as per the Government of India norms and the university norms, and here the pay scales are also mentioned here. Got it? And yeah, so for complete details, instructions and the eligibility criteria I will show you right now, guys. And the prescribed application form accompanied by the self-attested copies of all the required certificates must reach the college office within 21 days from the date of publishing the advertisement in the employment newspaper. Okay, and whoever the candidates in service, they should apply through the proper channel. So these are the things, guys. And coming to the qualifications and all, we will check down. So while coming to the important dates here, the last date of the submission of application form, the 21 days from the date of advertisement in the employment newspaper. And of course recently we got this recruitment notification, so the interested candidates may check down, guys, and you may check down here also on 31st/12/2021. Okay, got it? So here 31st/12/2021 actually we got this recruitment notification. And while coming to the application fee, general or unreserved 500 rupees and OBC non-creamy layer EWS 400 rupees, SC ST 300 rupees, PWBD and the female candidates are exempted from the payment. And the date of examination, timings, duration, all these things will be announced later. Okay, and coming to the qualifications of the each and every positions, okay, we will see. For the administrative officer, any post graduation with 55% of marks. Okay, that's it. Okay, even though if you're a fresher or experienced, then you can apply, guys, no problem. And coming to the senior personal assistant, bachelor's degree from a recognized university with at least 3 years of experience working as a private secretary, personal assistant, like that. And coming to the junior assistant, a senior secondary school certificate 10+2 or else its equivalent qualification, and along with that one the candidate must have the typing speed of 35 words per minute in English as well, or else in Hindi. Okay, and tabla accompanist, proficiency in the art of tabla, okay, playing with particular reference, and the degree in tabla or else diploma or 10+2 examination of any Indian board, and should undergo the training in tabla. And coming to the semi-professional assistant, graduate in arts, science, commerce or any other discipline, along with that one the bachelor in library science and the course in computer application at a graduate or the PG level or 6 months computer course from a recognized institute. Coming to the laboratory assistant, so 10+2 or else the graduate with relevant subject. Okay, that means the laboratory assistant whatever the relevant subjects are there in that one. If you are having the graduation, then you can apply for this position. Library attendant passed 10th or else the equivalent examination from any state education board, certificate in the library science. And coming to the library attendant, passed only the 10th class. Okay, so total these are the different positions, guys. And coming to the scheme of the examination, the selection will be based upon the written test, and if you qualify in the written test, and then the next one will be the personal interview will be there. And here while coming to the administrative officer will be by the direct recruitment. Okay, so they mentioned here direct recruitment means most probably only with the help of the written test. Okay, based upon your performance in the written test, they may select, guys. So the following shall be the scheme of examination components of the written test, personality test, and its syllabus for the recruitment to the post of administrative officer by the direct recruitment. Okay, so here the pattern of the examination is given here, as well as the components of written test given here, and the syllabus is also mentioned here. So all the interested candidates may check on this one, guys. So like that, not only to the administrative officer, for all the different positions, whatever they mentioned in the above table, for all those different positions, the scheme of the examination is mentioned, and what are the syllabus is also mentioned very clearly. Okay, so you please go through this PDF completely. Okay, guys. Anyhow, so it is the complete details regarding this recruitment notification, and this recruitment is nothing but a direct recruitment of all these positions on the permanent basis, guys. Okay, which you are going to get the pay scales also. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination, from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Jai Hind. Yeah. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science, as well as the general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get, and even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also, and you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare, and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, well, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, If you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current course are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper one, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here the lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So you may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want